Hello guys, a new IPO may soon come into the Indian markets and the IPO is of Tega Industries. The company is into the mining industry, that is the business of manufacturing. It was established in 1976 and is headquartered in Kolkata, India. Now what does the company do? Company is the global leader in design and production of consumables in the mining field, which includes minerals beneficiation, mining and bulk solids handling industry. Tega Industries was the second largest producer of polymer-based mill liners in 2020 on the basis of revenues. Tega Industries has more than 700 clients in approx 72 countries. The clients includes giants like Vedanta, SAIL, JSW Steel, Hindustan Zinc, Hindustan Copper, Tata Steel, and many more MNCs in the field of mining of copper and gold. Now let us have a look at the history of Tega Industries. So it was started by Mr. Madan Mohanka, who is the owner of the company. Then it collaborated with the Swedish firm Skega and then acquired it in 1988. It opened its first manufacturing facility in Kalyani, West Bengal in 1978, then later on in Gujarat also. In 2006, it opened its first overseas manufacturing operations in South Africa, followed by Australia and Chile in 2011. Now let us have an understanding of the business of the mining field. So company provides customer service in the screening process, which is the mineral beneficiation, grinding, which is mining, and material handling of bulk solids handling. So company also earns revenues from the aftermarket, like clients have to spend on wear and tear of spare parts, grinding media and power. These are the regular operating expenses of the customers. So Tega Industries also earn a revenue from this side. Having a look at the revenue segmentation, then 95% of their revenue comes from sale of product in the last 3 fiscal years, while remaining 2.15% of the revenue comes from sale of services and 2.77% is of other operating revenues. When we have a look at the past performance, then EBITDA of the company has grown at a CAGR of 50% in the last 2 years, while return on capital employed has almost doubled during this period. Now, Tega's focus is on the customers in the mineral processing sites, which involves customers in the gold and copper ore beneficiation, which accounts for 34.9% and 27.2% respectively of the total revenue. If we discuss about the product portfolio of Tega Industries, then they provide consulting services, product manufacturing, and on-site support to its customers. They also have mill liner linings, conveyor belt and accessories, wear resistance liners, screening panels, trommel structures, hydrocyclone systems for downstream applications, and pump and liners for slurry transportation. They have more than 55 mineral processing and material handling products. These are some of the JVs, merger and acquisitions of the company. They have joint venture with Hosh. They also have acquired Barrick Equipments of South Africa. They also made acquisition of Losogen, which is from Australia, acquired two firms from South Africa, Ecotech and Adoptum. In 2014, it bought a stake in one company of Canada, which is into laser scanning of mill liner. Now discussing about the basic IPO details, then the size of the IPO is approx 700 to 750 crores, and investor Wagner, which is an affiliate of US-based private equity firm TA Associates, will sell its entire shareholding, which comprises of 96,91,890 equity shares. So whole size of the IPO is offer for sale. Value of each share is equals to rupees 10, and promoters and shareholders will be participating in the OFS, including Mr. Madan Mohanka, Mr. Manish Mohanka and Wagner Limited. Now the allocation of the funds, then 50% of the IPO is reserved for qualified institutional buyers, 15% is for non-institutional investors, and 35% is for retail investors. So the company will not receive any funds from the offer as it is entirely offer for sale. So the existing promoters and shareholders will be selling their part. Now guys, this was all from this video. If you like the content, then please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you.